Hey, Andrew from Ozito. I'm here to show you some quick tips on how to set up the telescopic lawnmower. Let's start with checking out how to set it up from scratch, straight out of the box. The telescopic handle makes it simple to adjust the height to suit any person. So now, what do you get in the box? Two batteries and a dual port fast charger which charges both batteries at the same time. And of course the all important grass catcher. And like all things you got to assemble, we'll need an instruction manual and some nuts and bolts to put it together. Here's a quick tip. There's 3 contact points on the handle and these must make contact with the 3 points on the body of the mower. Otherwise it won't turn on. The telescopic handle goes in the mower really easy and there's only 2 bolts needed to hold it on. Just simply align it so the holes will match on the handle to the body and then place one of the lever locking bolts in. Once you've got the thread started, you'll need to turn it around quite a few times and possibly even turn it back until you get the right tension and then lock the lever down. If you look closely, you'll note that just here on the handle, there's actually 3 height positions to adjust the angle of the height to suit the person pushing the mower. And this is also, when aligned correctly, will ensure those contact points I mentioned earlier are making a solid connection. And just like your car, this mower has a key, so you'll need to put the key in the keyhole in order for it to start. It's a really cool safety feature, so you just take it out when you don't want anyone to accidentally start the mower. And of course, it won't run unless you've got 2 batteries in there. And it will take any size batteries, but the bigger the battery, the more lawn you can mow. And we'll need to catch all those grass clippings, so let's assemble the catcher. Grab the handle, align it with the groove in the top of the catcher. Now give it a gentle push until you hear the click noise. And that's all there is to it, the catcher is ready to go. Here's a quick tip. Have you ever noticed the little black flap on the back of the catcher? When you're mowing, this will dance up and down until, of course, the catcher gets too full and it'll stop dancing. And that's telling you when it's time to empty the catcher. Alright, this mower's pretty much ready to go and get out there mowing the lawns. Just got to put the catcher on and then get into it. So why not check out some of our other DIY projects and tool tips? See you in the next video.